Welcome to Cool Plugins. Create a new page. Give it a title. And publish it. After Publish Page, click on Edit with Elementor button. From Elementor Basic category, select Events Loop widget. In Select Layout, by default, a list is selected. We have provided 4 list templates in the plugin. By default, List Loop Style 1 template is selected. Here is List Loop Style 2. List Loop Style 3. List Loop Style 4. Enable Month Header option. For show the month header and events under it. You can adjust the margin of the header. Adjust the padding of the header. From Color option, select the color of the month header. Gap option, give gap between event lists. From top and bottom. By default, 12 events are shown. Select the number of events you want to show on the page at one time. After that, update the page. View the result on the page. You can edit the template from the Edit Template button. You can change the styling of widgets and add some other widgets to the template. Thanks for watching the video.